back to my channel. In this video I'll be helping you to use Grammarly in Docs, Google Docs. For that you have to open your Chrome browser or any browser that you use in Google Docs. So what you have to do is, you can see here we have apps launcher, Google Apps, okay, and click on that. Okay, it's can't see. Okay, let me go here. Sometimes it's happened with our internet also, so you have to come here. Okay, click here and go. You have Google Docs. If you're not able to find this one, you can just Google it here and say Google Docs. Okay, then enter it. Now we have Google Docs here. Click on that. Once you open, you have to click on the blank, click blank, and the foremost thing is you have to have Google Chrome extension, okay, in your Chrome install. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to go to your Grammarly account. So you have to log into your Grammarly account and you have to go to apps, click on the apps, and you have to install this one, Grammarly for Chrome. You have to install first that one, then only you'll be able to use Grammarly in Google Docs. And here you can see we have in the beta version, it says Grammarly is now beta testing on Google Docs. So what you have to do is here you have to turn it on here, click turn it on. Now we have already turned it on Grammarly. It will take time to load. Okay, let us try it. Okay, I have typed here some sentences and we have Grammarly here, view in assistant. We can do that one, it's up to you. Okay, let me click here. Okay, so give yourself a pardon. Okay, so everything seems to be good here, no problem. Let me try again. Let me try to misspell. Okay, this row, the people here is okay. So I'm trying to misspell and show you how the Grammarly will work in Google Docs. Okay, so here you can see the Grammarly is showing mistake here. Okay, they are not able to find the word here, they are showing the mistake. So this is how we can check, we can type in Google Docs and use Grammarly, and it seems very good. If you don't have your Microsoft Word bot, you can use here. It seems very nice. And if you have any confusion, you can just leave the comment in the comment box and I'll try to solve it. Thank you very much for watching.